everyone, my name is Tenea Fabray and I am the National Sales Consultant for Drums and Percussion here at West Music, and today we're talking about one of the oldest instruments in the world, the frame drum. And I am so excited to show you how this instrument can bring fun, energy, and rhythm into your classroom. Cultures around the globe have been using frame drums for centuries in ceremonies, celebrations, and storytelling. Throughout time and culture, the basic design remains the same, a drum head wider than the depth of its frame. Traditionally, these were crafted with animal hide and wood. Fast forward to today, and frame drums are widely used in music classrooms, music therapy settings, and drum circles. Thanks to innovative manufacturers like Remo, we now have frame drums that are made of modern material that sound and feel just like the traditional ones, but are super durable. These drums are pre-tuned, each offering their own unique tonal range rather than a specific pitch. Frame drums are incredibly versatile, as you can play them with your hands, with sticks, with mallets, making them adaptable for any activity. Speaking of activities, let's talk about how you can use these drums in your classroom. They're lightweight and easy to hold, so young learners and students with limited mobility can join in on the fun. In the classroom, you can utilize these drums to practice rhythmic activities, you can practice call and response, you can practice composition, sound exploration. The opportunities are endless. Frame drums are fun, versatile, and perfect for young musicians. Head over to westmusic.com right now to see our wide selection of frame drums and other classroom essentials. Thanks for watching and happy drumming.